We're at the Mountain Fire Lookout Tower. We're going to drive down the hill because going down the hill you will see destruction of the Fire Mountain Tower, the hills from the tornado. We're going down now. A lot of trees down in the forest. We're going downhill. As we get down here, you can see they're clearing out the forest. To be looking down the forest. There's more down over here, but last year. And here we are going down the hill from the Fire Mountain Lookout Tower. Big tree stumps. Look at that. There's a little big one on the right hand side somewhere. I don't remember where it is. Giant root balls just ripped out of the ground. This is what's left of the forest on the road going up to the lookout tower. Another one of those machines right here. Look at the treads on the rubber tires so it can get through. The head on that thing cuts the trees and knocks the branches off. Look at that. Nowhere it can't get to. Solid forest down here. There's the gate. That's what the view is now. Some pretty big trees came down. We'll end the video on the sign. There we go. July 2021.